In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the resolution on this. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. And I'm going to switch this to like a landscape. You know what I mean? All right, so you first got to get into the settings. And the way you do that is you just touch the screen anywhere and the settings icon will pop up over there. Then you just open it up. And the first thing you should see is the resolution. You can see it's at 4K 30 frames per second. So if I click that, it's going to give me some other options. Now they advertise it as a 5K camera. So if you wanted to shoot 5K, you could come right up here and do that. And then if I wanted to get out of there and I look over here, you're going to see it's 5K 30 frames per second. All right. So let's go ahead and we'll go back in and we'll change it again. I'm going to show you the different options. You've got 4K at 60 frames a second, which would be if you were shooting like, athletic sports. Then you got 4K at 30. Then you got 2.7 at 60. Then you got 1080 and different, frame rates. And then you got 720 at a number of different frame rates. But what I do is I kind of keep it on 4K 30 because that's really all I need for shooting YouTube videos. And that's basically how you do it. And then just pop it here and you're right back over there and you can see in the corner 4K 30. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.